legodude here with a review of Witch Doctor, the Staff Channel series. He is the Titan-sized hero of them all, or sorry, not hero, villain of them all. So let's get around to the parts. Right here, there's a bunch of these connector pieces that join in one or at least 3, 4, whatever, 5, 6, or blah blah blah. Right? Some of them are 3s and only actually 2. So here are jeez, I don't know if I'm going to drop it. Here are the connector pieces. Yeah, let's see. Whoa. Like, let me try to remember how much are those. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's 16 of these gold spike pieces. 16 of these gold spike pieces. I'm just around with them. It's not all of them. So, well, oh, there's 2 more. Okay, so we have 16 of these gold curved spike pieces. Let's see here. Oh, bunch of little parts that you've all seen before. Pole adapters, axle adapters, pole plus axle attachment, and some other stuff that you've all seen before. Now, a bunch of these in the set. Bunch of these. So here they are. If you want to get the inventory of them, there. A bunch of them actually. We have the 2 quasi spikes. Yeah, 6 of these pieces with the 1 ball joint and axle and pin attachment. We have 2 bodies. We have the 1 standard, highest standard width. The other is in the extra long one, but they both have the ball attachments on them. Then let's see, a bunch of standard size bone pieces. These are just pieces that you've seen. These are other pieces that you've seen before. So there are a couple of new molds in this particular set. Well, I'm not gonna. Look, there's too many of them for me to show, so I'm gonna put them right over here. Magically, lots of them. And there's 2 new molds. 2 new molds. Well, technically 3. We have, let's see. Oh, 2 of these parts. These are new. They are sort of like this one, only it's this one is light, both the same. Just this one is not without the ball attachment on it. And then this one, this is new. It's extra long and can connect. See, ball joint there. So see, and no matter how hard I pull it, it won't go out. No. And then we also have this part, which is also new as well. We have 3 pinholes with the ball attachment right up there in the middle. We have 4 of these regular little socket joints. Let's see here. 4 of these armor add-on pieces. We have 2 in silver and 2 in black. Okay, then we have 2 standard size hands in white. 2 of these 2.0 pieces, one in gray and the other in black. So they're just in different colors. So yeah, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 7 of these 5 armor pieces. We have 1 in blue and the other all in white, and this printed one with the, well, this isn't that, but printed as sticker on it. I just put it there. Now we have, oh, let's see, 2 hoses in green. Let's see, bunch of these big armor pieces. We have 2. We have 1 in this one. We have 2 in 3 in black, 4 in white, and 1 in blue. And this blue one is protectively printed, and this one has a sticker on it. We have 2 of these pieces that were used the 2.0 series on what is the name again? Oh, Fire Lord. Then we have 3 of these. 3 are white armor pieces. These are 3 armor pieces. Yeah, a Stormer 3.0 helmet. In its usual color, white. A new move for this set. Well, this is a big armor piece with the stickers on it. I just put it there, and 2 ball attachment. It connects to. It can connect to the body. When using this armor piece in a mock make, you always have to have 2 bodies, because these 2 ball joints will socket into the body. Since it's wide enough. So this is definitely a new move. It is in white. 2 Inferno blades in black. 2 of these swords, which are bionicle, kind of that effect. They have these 2 pins in here. So that's it for parts. Let's get to the build.